how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Integral tan x into tan 2x. Okay, integral tan x into tan 2x formula 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so integral, so 2 tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. Write tan x formula sin by cos 2 sin square x by cos square x by 1 minus sin square x by cos square x. So write 2 sin square x dx by cos square x. So let us do LCM cos square x minus 1 cos square x minus sin square x by cos square x. One cos square x get cancelled. It will going to be integral 2 sin square x dx by cos square x minus sin square x value cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x formula cos 2x. It will going to be cos 2x formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, and cos square x minus sin square x also. This is cos 2x. So 2 sin square x formula. From this second formula, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x. This minus 2 sin square x bring the left side. So 2 sin square x, cos 2x bring the right side. 1 minus cos 2x. So integral 2 sin square x place we should write 1 minus cos 2x by cos 2x. Okay, we have got this value integral 1 minus cos 2x by cos 2x dx. Okay, so it is nothing but 1 by cos 2x dx minus cos 2x by cos 2x. Okay, we should apply this formula a by c plus b by c. A plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. So 1 by cos 2x dx minus cos 2x by cos 2x dx. One cos 2x get cancelled. So 1 by cos 2x is nothing but secant 2x minus 1 dx value x. We have integral secant x dx is equal to log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, so integral secant 2x. Integral secant 2x, it will be log of tan pi by 4 plus, what is the formula, x by 2, where expression what value is there, 2x by 2 minus x plus c. But derivative of 2x is 2, integration is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times of these 2 get cancelled. So 1 by 2 log tan pi by 4 plus x minus x plus c. This is the correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral root under e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 1 dx. Okay, let us do rationalization. So denominator rationalization, root under e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 1. Okay, divide multiplied by e to the power x minus 1. So integral, so root under e to the power x minus 1 into e to the power x minus 1, e to the power x minus 1 whole square root over by root under, we have a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square e to the power x whole square minus 1 square dx. So root square get cancelled. It will going to be e to the power x minus 1 by root under e to the power x whole square minus 1 dx. Okay, it will going to be, so integral e to the power x by right denominator, e to the power x by, okay, e to the power x by root under right e to the power x dx by root under e to the power x whole square minus 1 minus integral 1 by 1 dx, 1 by root under e to the power x whole square minus 1. Okay, So let us take e to the power x is equal to t. It will going to be, so e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Now differentiation on both sides. So divide multiplied by 1 e to the power x. So it will going to be e to the power x dx expression, right, dt by root under t square minus 1 minus integral e to the power x dx value dt by t times of root under t square minus 1. Okay, we have one formula, integral dx by root under x square minus a square equal to log of x plus root under x square minus a square plus c. Okay, it will going to be log of t plus root under, where expression right t, a value 1, t square minus 1 minus, we have formula secant inverse t, this is plus c. So integral dx by x into root x square minus 1, we have formula secant inverse x plus c. Okay, so write log of, in the place of t write e to the power x, e to the power x whole square minus 1 minus secant inverse e to the power x plus c. So this is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral 5x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 5 dx by x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 whole square. Okay, in this one x to the power 5 take out common. So integral 5x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 5 dx upon 1x to the power 5 take out common whole square into 1 plus x by x to the power 5 plus 1 by x to the power 5 whole square. 1x get cancelled. This is x to the power 4, 1 by x to the power 4. This is x to the power 10. It will going to be 5x to the power 10, 5x to the power 4 by x to the power 10 plus 4x to the power 5 by x to the power 10 dx upon 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is nothing but x to the power minus 4. This is x to the power minus 5 whole square. Okay, 1 x to the power 4 get cancelled. This is x to the power 4 into x to the power 6, right? X to the power 4 get cancelled. X to the power 10 can be written as x to the power 5 into x to the power 5. 1 x to the power 5 get cancelled. So let us take 1 plus x to the power minus 4 plus x to the power minus 5 is equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of 1 will be 0. Differentiation of x to the power minus 4, it will going to be minus 4 times of x to the power minus 4 minus 1 plus differentiation of x to the power minus 5. It will going to be minus 5 into x to the power minus 5 minus 1 dx is equal to dt. So it will going to be minus 4 by x to the power 5 minus 5 by x to the power 6 dx is equal to dt. Okay, in this minus 1 take out common. 4 by x to the power 5, 5 by x to the power 6 dx is equal to dt. Okay, we should multiply minus on both sides, minus dt. Okay, therefore integral, if denominator is t square, then numerator will be 5 by x to the power 6 plus 4 by x to the power 5 dx. Okay, it will be minus dt. Okay, minus 1 constant. Integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t plus c. So minus into minus plus 1 by, in the place of t, we should write this value 1 plus x to the power minus 4 plus x to the power minus 5 plus c. Okay, we have got this value. So 1 by 1 plus x to the power minus 4 is nothing but 1 by x to the power 4. This is 1 by x to the power 5. Let us do LCM x to the power 5. 1 by, so x to the power 5 plus x plus 1 by x to the power 5. This is nothing but x to the power 5 into 1, x to the power 5 by x to the power 5 plus x plus 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. if x into f of x plus equal to 3 times of f of x whole square plus 2 given, then we have to find this value. Okay. So what is given condition? X into f of x equal to 3 times of f square x of plus 2. 3 times of f of x whole square plus 2. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay, now by using UV formula, x into differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x. U into differentiation of b plus b into f of x into differentiation of u. Differentiation of x will be 1 equal to 3 constant. Differentiation of f of x whole square is 2 times of f of x, but f of x differentiation right into f dash x. By using chain rule, differentiation of constant will be 0. Okay, x f dash x value, bring the right side. So f of x value, it will going to be 6 f of x f dash x. The plus positive value, bring the right side, minus x into f dash x. So f of x is equal to, in this one f of x take out common, one f dash x take out common. Okay, so f dash x into 6 times of f of x minus x. Okay, we have f of x value f dash x into 6 times of f of x minus x. Then we have to find this value. Integral, in first two terms 2x take out common, 2x, x minus 6 f of x. Okay, plus f of x value, we have got this value, right? F dash x into 6 into f of x minus x whole dx by, what is the denominator? 6 into f of x minus x into x square minus f of x whole square. Okay, in this x minus 6 f of x, x minus 6 f of x take out common. So integral x minus 6 f of x take out common, it will be 2x. Okay, 6 f of x minus x, in 6 f of x minus x, x minus 6 f of x take out common, right? Minus 1 minus f dash x. Okay, by the denominator, right? 6 into f of, in this minus 1 take out common, x minus 6 f of x into x square minus f of x whole square. X minus 6 f of x get cancelled. This minus 1 multiply to all, it will going to be, okay, right, minus 1 constant. So x square minus f of x, let us take x square minus f of x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x dx is equal to dt. If denominator is t, then numerator will be dt, 2x minus f dash x dx. So minus 1 constant, integral dt by t square, we get minus 1 by t plus c. So minus into minus plus 1 by, in the place of t we should write x square minus f of x plus. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral 2 e to the power 5x plus e to the power 4x minus 4 times of e to the power 3x plus 4 times of e to the power 2x plus 2 times of e to the power x dx by e to the power 2x plus 4 into e to the power 2x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so in numerator 1 e to the power x take out common. So find this value. So integral 1 e to the power x take out common, it will going to be 2 times of e to the power 4x. So e to the power 4x plus e to the power 3x minus 4 times of e to the power 2x plus 4 times of e to the power x plus 2 into e to the power x into dx upon, so write denominator as it is. Okay, let us take e to the power x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now it will going to be 2 into e to the power 4x. So e to the power 4x is written as e to the power x power 4. e to the power 3x. This is nothing but e power x whole cube. This is e power x whole square. Okay. This e to the power 2x is nothing but e to the power x whole square. This e to the power x whole square. Okay, right? E to the power x plus in t to the power 4 plus t cube minus 4t square plus 4t plus 2 into e to the power x dx value. We have got dt by, so in denominator t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square. Okay, integral. In this 1 2 take out common, 2 t to the power 4 minus 4t square plus 2. In this 1 2 take out common, t power 4 minus 2t square plus 1. So in remaining terms 1t take out common, t into t square plus 4. Okay. So what is the denominator? So denominator t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square by t square plus 4 into t square minus 1 whole square dt. 1 t square plus 4 get cancelled. In this t square minus 1 whole square, t to the power 4 minus 2t square plus 1, same value get cancelled. So t square minus 1 whole square is equal to, so by using a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Both are equal, get cancelled. Okay, we have got this value 2 times of integral dt by t square plus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, let us take t square minus 1 is equal to y. Now differentiation on both sides, 2t dt is equal to dy. Therefore t dt is equal to dy by 2. Okay, it will going to be integral t dt value, right, dy by 2 times of y square. T square minus 1 place in, we should write y square. So 2 times of, we have integral dx by x square plus a square formula. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So integral dt by t square plus 2 square. So where a place in constant place in, write t, 2 variable place in, write t. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of variable by constant t by 2. 1 by 2 constant, integral dy by y square is minus 1 by y. Integral dy by y square, this is nothing but y to the power minus 2 dy, y to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus. So this is nothing but minus 1 by y. So 2 get cancelled, tan inverse of, in the place of t we should write e to the power x by 2, plus into minus minus 1 by 2 times of what is y? Y is t square minus 1 plus c. It will going to be tan inverse of e to the power x by 2. So minus 1 by 2 times of t square. What is t? E to the power x. E to the power x whole square, e to the power x whole square minus 1 plus c. So e to the power x whole square is nothing but e to the power 2x. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.